The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Wednesday, happy FOMC day. Welcome. Morning G-Man and Mr. G. Word up, 2Gs. Hope everyone had a great night and ready for a great day. Market seems up and down, but rather flat overall. So let's look at it. NQ. After that amazing day yesterday where we saw go up 400 points on CPI and then lose it all, we look at the range overnight and it doesn't look impressive. Got back about 12,000 to 1214 now and dipped down to 11,919, so less than 100 points in range, about 95. Copper, haven't looked at any of these charts this morning. About 100 ticks of range on copper. Gold. About only 6 points of range, so yeah, it's been very slow. Ultra Bond looks a little bit more awake. Yeah, about a point and a half of range in the Ultra Bond there. Crude oil rising up again, you can see. About a point and a half in range there on crude. And last but not least, natural gas been falling all night. Now it's starting to rise back up. Had a good day yesterday. Got back above 7 and extremely volatile product. Down about over 400 ticks today. So that's where we stand. Bitcoin trying to get back above 18,000. It's just below it. That's where we stand, ready to rock and roll with the markets. See the market, look at that. I mean, that was pretty very impressive there. Look at this move here on ES. What is that? 5, 10, 15, 16 straight green candles, and now it's just coming back with almost straight red. Morning, Heffies. Hope you're having a good day today. Checking to see if anything's going on the trade. Not much. Okay. Send my message there, and we are good to go. So we'll see what we get. See, coming back down here. That was a trigger right there. We're still above the 100 and 200 EMAs, which are at like the exact same spot. Almost. Let's do a poll. Give me a second here. go. How's everyone doing? Oh, you know what? I didn't bring up the. I did not bring up the stream on my phone. Let me get that in place. Pull up. What do you think will be the Fed decision today? 50 or 75 basis points? Can you hear me, guys? No one's responding, and I always worry that my audio's not working for some reason when that happens. Cool. Thank you, Dreamman. Okay. Streams up on my phone as a backup. We're good to go there. Thank you, Linux. Good morning. Okay, so, I mean, very interesting move here. Like I said, 16 straight green candles, and now we've seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 out of 19 red candles. It's like a candle in the wind. Music. You don't hear music, do you? Oh, okay. Thank you. Excellent. I'm not sure most people would consider that music, but I appreciate the thought. Tired this morning. Got woken up by the sound of a drip. Roof apparently leaking into my pantry. Because my landlord sucks. This entire house needs to just be bulldozed. Breaking the 100 into 200 here. Let me see what my Tradovate is. Brackets. So, yes, there we go. Hey, Mystery Life. Morning, Matt. Gardner. Taking the short here. Tight stop. 5 ticks. It's getting a little overextended to this downside. Probably Pennsylvania, Mr. Dream. If not, like maybe upstate New York. Hey, the wire? Gossip? Good morning, guys. You're all early today. Uh, I like the idea of living someplace very snowy. Someplace that might be able to get like 10 feet of snow a year. I'm gonna take this here. That was 5 ticks, $62.50. Start the morning. No hesitation in taking that trade. I just took it, went with it, got it. Well, the thing is, I mean, if I did that, it would be, you know, some. I would have. That means I'll have the money to like hire someone to shovel the snow. Or I just wouldn't worry about shoveling the snow. I love my dream place would be away from people. Someplace. My dream area would be to live someplace in a wooded area, build the house with woods or forest or whatever around me, and no close neighbors besides whatever wildlife lives in the forest or woods, and just make sure I'm stocked up on supplies. The only requirement is I need is a good internet connection, so it needs to be able to get whatever you know whatever company that has internet in that area to run the wires to the place. That's my dream. And I'm really off the grid because I need internet. Can't trade without internet. I tend to, whenever I send up smoke signals trying to enter an order, they get ignored. So, yeah, that's what I love just sitting and looking out a window watching it snow. And so, yeah, someplace snowy. I don't like hot weather at all. I should have stayed in. I would have got my target, but that's okay. Um, you know, yeah, that's the type of area I'm thinking somewhere, right? Not in the city, of course, but on the outskirts or somewhere. Like I said, love to be off into a wooded area, and good morning, Mandelbrot. Welcome. I don't recognize that name. If you're new, definitely welcome. Glad you're here. I definitely should have stayed in this trade. Gosh darn it! But hey, we got $62 to start the morning, so I'm not happy, not unhappy. I mean, so it's made like a tent. Anything I can draw for door? Nope, not that I see. Crypticon, I thought you had a doctor appointment today, or was that yesterday? George? Okay, I'll remember that, or I'll try to remember that. I'm old. Greetings, Dakota. Good morning. Now hanging around 40.51. See what everything else is doing here. So we saw gold down a little bit, moving up and then down. There's NQ, Dow, copper, treasury. Natural gas up and down. Agriculture overnight kind of down and kind of sideways-ish. Oh, it was yesterday? You were still here yesterday, weren't you, Cryptic? I don't know. I run all the days run together. Now we're only 11 days till Christmas. Continuing to drop. So definitely, obviously, I got out too early. That's me and my skittishness. But hey, I took the trade. Yeah, we're down to 40.50 here. Broke below 40.50. Definitely could have got more out of this. But hey, we just need to take like 20 more trades like that and we'll be good. sticking around 40.49. Sorry, got a little quiet there. Pushing down to 40.48. So we see here 40.46 was the low of this candle. 40.40. Yeah, easy for me to say. 40.47.50. Say that 5 times fast, people. Say it 5 times fast. The low of that move. That's actually the low of day. So we're near low of day. Yeah, I wish I could be sleeping. We are nearing the top of the hour. See if that increases some volatility. Morning Loper. So just watching this fall. Hardly any green candles in this fall, just like hardly any red candles in the rise up. Forgot to take my supplements this morning, so let me do that quick. Usually do that right at breakfast. Look to see if we have any other news this morning. Obviously, FOMC's later today. We won't be streaming that like I sometimes have. 8:30 U.S. import forces. Wow, I cannot talk this morning. 8:30 U.S. import prices and export prices month over month, and Canadian manufacturing sales month over month. And then at 10:30, crude oil inventories. There, I got it out. Little bounce there, trying to come back up. Excuse me. Bounce there. Trader A, thank you. Good morning to you as well. Little bounce here. Got down to 40, 47.5. Bounced up about 2 points. Really? 40, 47. 40, 46, yeah. Morning, Walter. Hope you're having a good day today. Right back down. Up, down, up. So since this high, we've dropped about 15 points. Oosh, I caught a whole 5 ticks because I'm, you know, skittish. But hey, 5 ticks times 5, that'd be a nice day. Well, that's, the thought. Remember, folks, if you're enjoying the stream or expect to enjoy the stream, appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Really appreciate it. Hard to believe that people have watched me for a combined total of over 1 million minutes this year. Anyone that told me that people will be watching me for that much minutes, I'll be like, oh my god, what? Seem to be trying to push back up to the EMA. So I've been a nice bounce play. Thought about taking it after that first golfing green candle there, but reversal plays aren't my forte at this point, so we're up. Kevin, good morning. Welcome. So everything is calm for now. Little move back up. And by little, I mean it actually, it's about a 4-point bounce so far. Morning, 7th day. Good to see everybody. Remember to vote in the poll about what you think the Fed's going to do today. Hey, G-Cart. How's it going? Yep. Top of the hour. Let's see if we get any increased movement here. Bells will be ringing. All right, now ES hanging right below that moving average. NQ the same. Ultra Bond, which the market opens in 20 minutes. Still a little bit sleepy there. There's a trigger candle. I don't like it here. See, it's riding those bands. Although everything's below there, so moving up is an option. No, no, no. We'll wait and see. See if this does a up, down, up move. Technically, that's a trigger back down. I don't like either direction right now. It's an up, down, up. Trying to come back up. Nice trader, eh? Oh yeah, nice move there. On crude, out of the blue. Remember, crude oil inventory is on the table later. That was weird. All right, back up. There's a green candle. Or it's trying. Just hanging on the EMA. Yep. Can't decide which way it wants to go. ES does not know what it wants to do with its life. Boy, do I know that feeling. Hanging right on 40.50 here. And back down. Now, technically this was a trigger candle back down. I could have taken it. Got a 2 points actually. So I should have. That would have been the play. Would have been, but I just didn't like where it was. We were so far already extended to the downside, and I don't know. I expected more of the up move, so I did not take that. Not for skittishness, but for actual analysis purposes. But I would have got exactly 2 points. So a slippage it might not have gotten me to. We'll see if it goes another tick down. Now we'll also see whether or not, because that was a big candle. It's the biggest candle we've seen here in a while. So, see if it comes up and then down and then back up. Crude, after that big move up, pulled back, just hanging on that EMA. Gold, another nice move here. Dipped down to 18.15.5. Come back up over 3 points from that dip. A little rip after the dip. Morning, Robin. So we would have got the 2 total points there. How's Robin today? Ah, there we go. I'm doing all right, thank you. See if we get back above the EMA here. If it do, we're taking it as a long. Right now, bouncing off of it. Oh, back down, red. Yep, does look bearish. Bearish. Just trying to push up here though. 4 out of 5 green candles. It's like the poll's pretty close, 52 to 40, 48 right now. Stays that close, it might go to an automatic recount. Yep, right back down. Keeps bouncing off the ZMA. Pushing down, kind of a arc right now. Apologies for my yawns. Like I said, I'm tired this morning. Thanks for being awakened by a dripping sound last night from a leaky roof. This was a nice bounce. It bounced twice. First one didn't work. Second one did. Back down. These are only 2 tick candles though. So good luck on that. Is there a reason though you're YOLOing there, Gossip? About 17 minutes from a couple of light news reports. Not expecting a lot out of them. A quick bounce, so that would not have been a good entry. I mean, could have got 5-6 ticks. Maybe I need to become a super scalper and go for like 3-4 ticks like 3,000 times a day. There's my yawn. Sorry about the yawn. If you like, I'll give you the number to my landlord so you can complain. It's 1-800-douchebag. As we just hang here around 40-49. Crude. Wow, that was a catalyst there, a little thing, and dipped them. You can see here, this would have been the great entry back up. Either one of these would have worked. You can see it's going up a nice 20 ticks or so. After that big move down, it was downtrending basically since here after it failed to, come back up to there, but kept trying. You can see it's almost like waves crashing to shore before it finally whoosh. I have a buy low, so high. Would have worked. So these bounces here off the EMA, eventually breaking down almost at low a day. Low a day being 40, 45, 50. Sorry, 40, 45, 40. I'm sorry, that's wrong. 40, 45, 75. There we go. And we just broke it. All that to get that out, and then it just breaks it. I should have said, yeah, we're a low a day. Bouncing there right away. Hit 40, 44 and a half. And bounced right back up. Yes. Um, Buy low, sell high. We're on March. Nice, G-Man. That yellow play not going well there, Gossip. Hesitating at 40, 47 and a half. Gossip isn't YOLO and tight stop an oxymoron? Not that I'm encouraging to actually YOLO, but usually you don't hear those two terms together. Back up to 40, 49. G-Man's target's 50. See if it breaks through the EMA there to get there, if it bounces off the EMA. Okay, that makes sense, Gossip. Taking along here for up the break of the EMA. I'm late as usual. There's the 40-50 that G-Man was after. So I got in 5 points later than he did. Hesitating here after this big candle. We're just going to take that. We'll take the point. Another 50 bucks. Small winners. See if I again chickened out too early. G-Man got a flat. He's going to have to change to a spare. What, what are we up today? 103 now after commissions. Thanks, Dakota. Out with the win or their Gossip. Why did I like that for long when I didn't, I didn't take these longs this long when it broke. I liked it because it was a kind of a bounce. You saw this doji. This is a more convincing that we were trying to head back up. Just where we were down here as well. $25, not bad for 10 contracts. It's kind of hanging where I got out at. Now we're hanging at 40.50 again to try to push back down. Right below, back below that EMA. Strong candle, 2.25. Short. That was a mistake. I can already see it. We'll put our stop real tight there. Immediately pop back up. Yep, stopped out. So I just gave away my profits. We're at $24 now. Saw that bounce immediately and knew I was in trouble.
Bah! Humbug!
You're doing the trade again, Gossip? And right back up. Taking the long here. We'll try this again. Stops at the bottom of those candles down there. Paused here, 49, 49.75. Probably shouldn't have not re-entered because they're playing around that 40.50. Market loves to just kind of rotate around it. 2-point stop. See if we can get back up just a couple of ticks. I'll take it if it comes up back up to 40.51. Nope, down. And about to stop me out. Hi, Hassan. Stopped out. So there we go. Now we're red. Now we can get comfy. Down $80.
Bah! Humbug!
And again, I was right. I made the stop tight, but I should not have apparently. So winner, two losers there. Oh yeah, I forgot about the Ultra Bond market opening. Wow, a big move down there when a couple minutes after it's open. Good luck, Dakota. Morning, Tay. Stop me out, bottom tick. Now back up. So, looks like this one could have been right. And I just... If I had one more tick or stop, it wouldn't... I would still be in this trade and be back into profit. Ouch, sorry to hear that, hip hop. So now it just wants to kind of hang around this 40-50 area. We'll wait to see it break out before we try and figure out which way it wants to go. I still think up is the direction at this point. Ouch, Hassan, sorry to hear that too. Yeah, I saw Atlas Trading sued by the SEC for being a pump and dump scheme. I'm gonna be honest. I didn't ever heard of Atlas Trading until just recently, when oddly someone was trashing my Discord in their Discord for no reason. But yeah, it seems like Atlas is going to be shrugging a lot. In my opinion, anyone, any service, any community, whatever, dealing with low caps that are easily manipulated, you have to be careful about. And this is up. So I was right on this. These are the more frustrating trades. I moved my stop up, took the loss. If I had moved it one less, I'll be in this trade and would have been in profit. Oh, they already took the server down. Wow. Well, goodbye and thanks for all the fish. Good morning, Speed Racer. So, again, I was right, but hey, market decided to take my money and run. Warriors Bay. Hello. How are you doing? Welcome to everyone that's joining me today. We're a little bit. Oh, you know what? I forgot about news. Obviously, the news didn't really do much. What's Dakota target? Oh yeah, target hit. Sorry, Dakota. I totally missed that in the thing. Good job. As Ultra Bond continues to push down, everything's a little choppy right now. Yeah, Matt, you did, and but honestly, that news wasn't that big of a deal. So I didn't bother with it. That's what kind of, and it didn't do much. Yeah, I'll start using that for the bigger newses, but this morning's news wasn't anything. Tomorrow, definitely for the unemployment and all that. No, Hassan, not today. I'm not. I'm not sure about doing any of those extended streams anymore until I'm either actually making money in the market or have some sort of sponsorship because I make like $1 a day from YouTube, so doing extended streams and all that just is I gotta be doing other stuff that makes money. Up to the 100 EMA, just touched it, tickled it. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Touching that 100 EMA. The burst through that 100 EMA. So nice grind up here. Yeah, the last the last week, well, since in the month of December, $1.08, 98 cents, 74 cents, 81 cents, 95 cents. And on Monday with the double stream, I got $1.10. It's averaging less than $1 a day. And I'm not gonna, start doing like some other streamers to get people to like do a subscription only type of thing for so much per month. I won't do that. I don't think I'm that wonderful to watch and listen to charge for it. So down, up, down move here on the 100 EMA. Getting close to your target, Gossip. Kind of bouncing between the 20 and the 100. Not the 2000. That'd be a really big EMA. Crude's pulling back a bit. Gold's pulling back a bit. Ultra Bond continues to head down. Good morning-ish. Very slow action right now. About 51 minutes until the bell. Ding, 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 ding. Oh, figure candle there, triggering down. See what it does here. Hanging right around 40.50. Yep, another bounce back up. Again, it's trying to move up. Good morning, Ace. Ace is here, so it means it's definitely going to move up. Not financial advice. I'm doing all right. Morning, Dave. Not at the moment, Speed Racer. Nice bounce there. Right up to the 200 EMA. You're right about the long there, Ace. It's right on the 200 EMA. Trying to break on through to the other side. Did break on through. Mad at myself for not taking the long. But it was iffy. It's still iffy because it's kind of bouncing here. Did you take your point, Ace? Well, thank everyone for being here this morning. 34 people. Appreciate that. Down we come. Bounce off that 200 EMA. And trying to come back down through the 100 and the 20. You can see how tight all three are. So we saw this up, down, down. 45 minutes to the bell. Bouncing back off that 20. Hey, what's your 20? So indecisive what it wants to do here. Does not want to get above that 200 EMA. Yeah. Thanks, Ace, for that reminder. If you guys wouldn't mind hitting that like button. And back down. Trigger candle to the downside. Taking it. Ah! And at 40.75, I'll do a 2-point stop. Ooh, what did I just do? Let's see, how late did I get in on that? 40.51? Oh, I was only in a tick late, so it was just slippage. Come on, come back down for me. This was a mistake. I could see it already. Yep. Yep. This was an established short-term uptrend. I should have waited for a 2-bar confirmation on that break. Let's see if I get lucky. Am I feeling lucky? That did not get lucky. I thought it might break back down. Thought we might be doing a down, up, down move. But so far, that's proven to be a folly. Hang in here, 40.52. 11 minutes to the top of the hour. Someone go in and sell about 100 contracts for me, please. Just kidding, not actually asking anyone to manipulate the market. Don't want the SEC to be all uppity. About ready to get stopped out. There we go.
Bah! Humbug!
See, this is my problem. I set up these rules, and then I didn't. It's not that I didn't follow my rules. I missed it. This was uptrend, even if we were below these. So I should not have taken this short because it's proven to be an uptrend instead. And so that's what I mean about me missing things. And of course, watch it come down now. So we'll just watch and wait for now. Good luck, gossip. Gold is completely sideways now as well. Gold's kind of, oil's kind of bopping around. Its market opens in about 7 minutes. ES, another move up. So again, I tried to play down, and I should not have. I was not thinking. I'm telling myself, start following the short-term trend. When we have overwhelming blue, don't take that one white. Don't take wait until it proves itself. This one worked, but I went off of this move here. But this one here, there's no reason for me to take this short. Just wait for it. If it's gonna go short, then wait for a second bar and then go. And I just didn't read that. I don't know how I didn't read that, but my mind thought short, and because it got back under the EMAs, and you see it was 100% wrong. If I waited here, got back in after this little dip, taken the long, 2-point stop, 2-point target, and there's target. Idiocy on my part. So it wasn't, I didn't follow the rules that I, set for myself, but it's only because, I did not read it in real time. This is where my problem stands. I gotta go through a mental checklist in my mind, and didn't do that. Even if the overall trend is down, and I'm not even sure what you want to consider the overall trend. I mean, it was down here, we pushed up, down, and now whatever. This part we were up. This is overall, the short term, last 20 minutes or so was up. So why did I try taking that first move to the downside? Make it prove itself. Yep. Yeah, but I mean, I can't blame the market. I can only blame myself because as I've looked back, I started realizing don't try and take the reversals or whatever, the move against the move. Wait for it to prove itself that it really wants to make that move. And instead, it's much better just to keep getting the dips or however you want to call, whatever you want to call whatever when it's coming down and moves back up. Like here, so this move down, you know, down came up. That would have been a failure. But all these moves could have been wins to the downside. These is when I was still sleeping, of course. But that's what I'm noticing is it's better to make the market prove itself. Now here I do kind of like the downside move because you can see how it came up exhausted, came back down. But what happened first? We're still just kind of messing around this 40-52 area. It's an ugly looking chart, but it is an uptrending. Uptrending. So hanging. Minute and minute and a half until the top of the hour. Moving back down. Excuse me a second. Pushing down here. But this is just an ugly looking chart right now. Bill, G-Man, can you do me a favor and go out and recruit some traders? Preferably ones that want to make the chart move. Excuse me, sorry. Top of the hour. Got some movement here, a little bit toward the upside, What's crude doing? Let's see. Their market opens. Whoa! Wow, look at that candle. Crude shoots up 30 ticks. Whoa! Wow, rocket ship on crude. Established a new high day. Established a new high of the last few days at least. Wowzers. Crude rolls tomorrow. No. Friday. Get my days mixed up. Up to 76.66, which you can see here if we go to an hourly chart. It's the highest we've been on crude oil since Thursday the 6th. Wow, the poll is 50-50 here. Definitely in recount territory at the 38 votes. Yes, pulls back. Crude still trying to push up. So you can see here, ES has tried 4 different times now. Down, 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 down. And this is the first time it's held down, but it's not, obviously not making new higher highs either. Easy for me to say again. And here's the push down. So I was thinking short, but I didn't want to. It's proven itself short now. Let's see if it bounces. Down, 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 down. So after it failed to come up higher here, I should have thought down. And I was kind of thinking down. And obviously, that would have got me two. Bouncing. Hey, John, how you doing today? Sounds like a good plan. So watching here. Still in this very tight 2 to 3 point range. ES is very, very comfy here. Very at home. Home on the range. Crude leveled out. Finally, after that big move up there. Ultra Bond's also been kind of sideways. Probably why we haven't heard much from Dakota. No JC yet this morning. Wonder where he's at. Haven't seen Chris Moore all week. That's worrisome. Hope he's okay. Another move down. See Bitcoin and Doge also coming down. Up and down, up and down. 21 minutes to go until the bell. Silver bells. Silver bells. It's Christmas time. And right back up. So we've been in a 5 point range now. Since way back here. Bottom, top. 40.47 to 40.54. So maybe it's more like 7 points. Close enough. It's been since almost about 50 minutes now. Not much going on here, guys. And 50 basis points takes the lead in the poll. It's still close though. Uh, Frederick, okay, and okay. Rising back up here. That's an interesting candle off that EMA. Hmm. Getting some movement to the upside. Nope, right back down. Wicks both ends on this candle. Yeah, guys, let's get back onto the trading topic of trading or Christmas. All I want for Christmas is my two front teeth. CBR, good morning. Haven't seen you in a while. How you been doing, buddy? So we double bottom, not double bottom, but we even bottom there, bullish engulfing, and this led to a nice move upwards. How's everything going, my friend? Still not breaking above that top of that range though. 40.54. We are about 16 minutes until the bell. Appreciate everyone being here this morning. Reminder, I need to check with them, make sure everything is still on, but this Friday on Greg's Trading Place, formerly known as Weenie Trades, Greg will be interviewing live Darrell Martin, founder and owner of Apex Trader Funding. There's the break of the range. It'll be 11 a.m. Eastern, so as soon as we're done here on this stream, I'm going to head over there and see what Darrell Martin has to say. Could try to teach the puppy to trade and both, both deal with both things at once. So we finally broke to the upside. It's gotten back about half of this big move down, from earlier. $40.55. So yeah, this was again, this is the type of stuff I need to recognize, and I just didn't. Down, came back 2 bars up, down, and then a nice little bullish engulfing candle there, even a big bullish engulfing candle. And that should have been me That should have been a big green flashing light. Go long, go long, go long, go long. But it was not. Up to 40.56 here. Going short. In at 40.54.75. Can't see where my stop is. There it is. Put my stop right at the top. Ouch, TVR, it sucks. I'm sorry to hear that. Yeah, those busts where you lose it because of accidentally doing something like that hurt worse than the ones you just lose trading. Nice hip hop, glad to hear it. Trying to see if this wants to come back down to its EMA. First, about 12.5 minutes to the bell. Now bouncing back up on me. Ouch, CVO, that really hurts. Nice, Dakota. Great job. Good morning, RJ. Glad to see you. How was your week plus? Yep. Oh, nice move down here. There we go. EMA break. Holding, holding, holding. Wants to bounce. Darn it. Eh. Come on, fill me. It hit my target but did not fill me. Again? Target hit. $100 winner. Excuse me 1 second. Guys. Sorry, I'm back. Hey, Flocka. Haven't seen that name in a while. How you doing? Wow, and it bounced there back up. Right on. I got out and did not go any further yet. So anyway, now I'm only down $88 on the day. Let me change that P&L. Get rid of this white line, I guess, because it's going up and around. And there we go. We are 7 minutes to the bell. Thank you, Avi. Nope. Red, green, red. I'm sorry, a red, green, red move here, maybe. It's struggling with that 200 EMA. G-Man was going for 51. It looks like it might get there. Yep, it just broke below where I got out. But I was happy with my 2 points there. Sitting on that EMA. At 100 EMA now. Sitting on the dock of the EMA. Remember the vote in the poll about what you think the FOMC is going to do today? Always fun to see what the community thinks. Ace Trades, paging Ace Trades, just making you aware that RJ has returned. RJ has returned. Ace Trades, RJ has returned. There are 5 minutes until the bell. My binaural beats ran out. Gotta restart that. Nice move down here. Great call by G-Man. He got in at 40.55 down to said 40.50 was his target. I considered trying to hold it longer. Cat's asking for his back to be scratched. Hi. Hi. We're gonna stay flat here until after the bell, and maybe after the whistles too. I'll do that as soon as I get done scratching my cat's back. There we go, volume. Saw the increase there. A cat can kill me in my sleep if I don't agree to what he wants, so. So we are 90 seconds from the bell. Let's move to a 5-minute chart. Watch the ES and the NQ. Move the white. Moving down here just as we headed to the bell. Yep, sitting on the dock of the EMA. Watching price slip away. Anyway, we are 50 seconds from the bell. ah, great songwriting duo. Five seconds. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, we're rising up very quickly here. And a one-horse open sleigh. 15 points on N, 20 points on NQ. ES up 4. And push it back down. So, 26 points up on NQ. ES up 5. Gold's down just a couple ticks. 5 points on ES, 25 here on NQ. Pushing up higher. Can it take us higher? Kind of hesitating here. Six points. 24 points. Oh, it bounces back down, giving it all back. Still up 4 points on ES. Still up 13 on NQ. Wow, 42 people here. Thank you, everyone, for being here. We're watching. Oh, gold just dumped at a point. Indices trying to stay green on this opening 5-minute candle. Still got 3 minutes to go. Still up 14 points. ES up 6. Big wick on the 5-minute NQ candle. Not really any wick on the ES. Ooh, there's another burst up to 40.59. We're up 7.5, 7.25, 3/4. 8, still rising. 9, just hit 40.61. NQ now up 33 points. Trying to get up to 12,000. Let's see if we can do it. ES now up 10 points on this candle, up to 40.62. NQ trying to push. It hit 966, pulling back down by about 10 points though. Another push up. ES up almost 10. There's 10. Do I hear 11? That's 10 going once, 10 going twice. NQ up 30 points. Still rising. 42, 43, 44, 45. ES now up 11. 11.25, 12. Strong momentum coming in here. Expecting a reversal here at some point though. We have a minute to go on this 5. We're overextending on the bands. Rocket ship though, trying to get up to the 50-point mark on this candle. It's at 45 on the NQ. ES has pulled back a little bit. It's only up 10. Up there it goes, trying again. There we go. NQ just hit 50 points on this 5-minute candle. 52, 53. ES up 12. Boom. Still rising. I really want to short this, but I'm not going to. 12.5. We have just 3 seconds to go in this opening candle. Still rising. So it closed 56.75 up on the NQ. There's the pullback. So that's why I wanted to short it. Hit 988 ES, pulled back by 2 points. It had a 12.5 minute, I'm sorry, 12.5 minute, yeah, 12.5 point 5-minute candle when they open, and you can see it immediately pulls back. So playing that pullback would have worked for 2, even though it might be trying to push up. It would have got me my 2 points. But it's back to green, and that's why it's dangerous. Danger, stranger, danger, stranger, danger. Notice right at the bell, the ES broke all 3 moving averages to the upside. We then pulled back on that next minute using a 2 or 3 point stop. It would have stopped out before going that second time. Hey Leonardo, how you doing? Seeing a pullback here maybe a bit. Nice gossip. Good job. A pullback. So yep, I should have I wanted to take the short. I just don't have those type of guts yet. No, we're just watching it. Yep, there we go. See, I mean, it came down enough that it would have got me what I wanted. But now back up. Strong move. What's our high of the day? High of the day is, or well, high Globex, whatever you want to say, 40.72. So still got 7-8 points to go before that, but it's trying here. I believe it was Gossip that said that he expected it to go up first and then drop hard. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Still, big move here. So in 10 minutes, we've gone up 16 points. More now, 18. And Q also a rocket ship. Just hit 12,000 and but pulled back. And there's another pullback on ES. Hit 40.69. Okay, it's giving back that last green candle. Ultraviolet, oh yeah, Ultraviolet, nice move. Dipped under that EMA and back up. That would have been a great trade right there. Still, yeah, it's trying to come back, but you see the buyers are continuing to try and push it back up. The volume mostly on that first candle and kind of been falling since. Not afraid of falling. Not afraid. Got a fight here right around 40.65. Pushing down. So 40.69.25 right now is the high of this move. Sorry about the yawns. Once again, you can complain to my landlord. But I do try and stifle yawns before they come out. How are we doing out there, guys? Anyone in anything? Wait until everything shakes out here. Yep. And so we're kind of leveled here. And we wait. Hey, JC. I was wondering where you were at. I'm glad you can make it. So let's see what everything else is doing while we take a breath here on ES. Uh-oh, sneeze coming. In time. Gold's kind of leveled out after a move up there as well. Crude. Remember, crude oil inventories in a little less than an hour. Yeah. See the Ultra Bond moving up. This would have been the great play right there. Watch that bounce. See that bounce play? That was awesome right there. This would have been, this is my type of move right here. Take that one right there, ride that up. Almost a half a point. Being able to recognize those moves is what I need to be able to, what I need to do. Because these moves happen a lot. Like right here. You know, that was the type of move here on ES. Move back down. And then the bounces here as we're heading back up. 1, 2, 3. Even here, technically. So I hate when all the bands start intertwining. Yep, it is. In the 15-minute was obviously a big one, but a big wick, big top wick on it. Excuse me 1 second. Trying to rise back up. Bulls versus Bears here fighting. Hey Prince, how you doing? There's a move down to 40.61. Bounce, big bounce there off the EMA. Right back up. Still in this range. But it looks like it's trying to push back up. Trying to push up. If it's like me, it won't, and you don't want to see me try to do push-ups. Crude's trying to bop back down. Gold back up to 1822. Copper just dumped. Ooh. There's a yes. Another push down there. Tried that here. This could be considered a second attempt. Back to green. Bounce off the band down there on the RSI. So it came down 4.5 points on that last candle, and it's gotten back up 3.5, 3.75. Yeah. So technically, again, that was it's a long signal there. Did not fall for the short this time. Waited. Should have taken the long though, possibly. It's not gone 2 points yet, but it's close. There's 2 points, so yep, that would have worked. I hesitated because of the big candles, and then we're back, and it's just good call, JC, about it wanting to rip. That earned its purple there as a trigger. I gotta start marking these again so I can study. That was a great bounce down there. Elite Trader Funding just announced their third day, their 12 days of savings. Their 100K fast track is $45 today. While we watch what ES wants to do here, I'm quickly adding that to the MightyOxTrading Discord. Other sales currently going. Bullinox has a $19 50K account using the discount relates 50. And Earn a Trade is 50% off all of its products, Trading Career Path, and all the Gauntlet minis. I didn't do the Christmas poll today, JC, because of the FOMC poll. We'll come back with a Christmas poll tomorrow. Ripping up. So perfect bounce there and back up, and that, yep. High percentage play that, you know, for the first time today, I said I really should have taken and didn't. I'll probably try to find something Christmassy to do the rest of this week and next week. I don't know. We'll see. I'm not sure how many ideas I can come up with. I think tomorrow I'll ask about Christmas cookies. I like to eat those Christmas cookies, baby. Those Christmas cookies, yeah. The ones that look like Santa Claus. Christmas trees, bells, and stars. Anyway, so we just got up to 40.73 and then back down. Yeah, I'm not sure which 50K because I know they have a couple, but it's one of the 50Ks. And again, the code is relates. Hold on, relates. Yeah, I'll post it in case you didn't see it on the Discord. That's the discount code for the Bullinox for the 50K. Well, Rusty's understandable, and well, popcorn's good. Right back up. Oh, did we just hit high day? What did I say high? Yeah, we did. This is a new high of day. Old high of day was like 40.72.50. So this is a new high of the day, 40.74.75. That was a nice quick rise up there. Rose up to be counted. Faux show, faux show. Excuse me for 1 second. Back. In your absence, RJ, Dakota has started trading ES and CL, surprising us all. Branching out from UB. Hanging here. I'm expecting by next week he'll be trading lean hogs and platinum. Bitcoin, whoa, Bitcoin broke 18,000. Wow, strong moves up here as well for the cryptos. NQ back up to 12,000. Yeah, I'm still disappointed that those aren't viable to trade. I checked them out, and they have like no movement. Cheese is like my all-time favorite thing. Oh, there's another burst. New high day again. 40.75 and a half. So we're continuing to move up. Ultra Bond dipped again. Try to move back up again. AQ try to establish itself above 12,000. 40.75 for ES. Dipping a little bit in crude. We're just about at the top of the hour. Gold's dipping a bit. Remember, crude oil inventories in 30 minutes. Well, ES is hanging out here. Let's look at this crude chart after that move, big move up here. See how it came down. Didn't quite bounce off the EMA. Here is the first bounce. Right to back up. This would have been a long here. We would have done a, say a 15 or a 12 stop. Let's say a 12 tick. Looking for 20. There's first one. Second dip. A little scary there when it down, but there. So we have done two so far. We could have done two 20 tick wins there, just based on the dips. That's dipping again. Is it going to come back up? We'll watch it. We'll go back to watching everything though. ES continuing to push up here. I think it just made a slightly new high again. Yeah, 40.76.25. NQ up to 12,015. NQ's high was 12,014, so it just now broke a new daily high and only by a point. Sorry, just moving around on my chair. My recliner's trying to give up the ghost when I sit in at the computer. It's sinking, and I definitely don't have money for a new one, so I hope it holds up. I also sleep in it. Gold dropping big right here. right, Dakota. I was just, more joking around. It was a, like I said, when you first started, it caught me by surprise. But yeah, I figured, you hadn't just jumped right in, but you just, try to be fun. Again, we've been missing Chris Moore all week. I hope he's okay. Always worries me when he disappears. Last time he disappeared, he broke his back. So you see this dipped, and then came back up here on crude. So let's see if this would work for a third time. We'll mark our stop at about 12 ticks. So I'm mark those other two, and say we're looking for 20. Let's see if it gives us 3 times. Oh, ES is kind of taking a breath, as is NQ. NQ is sitting on 12.12, 12.012. ES is sitting at 40.74. Sorry, Dakota. I wasn't trying to put a awkward spotlight on you there. This also was the dip play. Dip, 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 dip. On EUB. Gone like 5 ticks. Oh, there's a pushback on ES. Hello, Pamela, and welcome. Bowen-Ox deal is running through January 6th. So you have time. Welcome to the stream. Glad to have you. You're very welcome, Pamela. Yep, bounce again, kind of off that EMA. I mean, it didn't really touch the EMA, but nice bounce. I wouldn't take a red bounce though. I would want a green. Obviously, the red bounce there would have worked. So it's hit 76 and 3/4 twice. Ah, sorry. Sucks, JC. We are 3 subscribers away from 1,200. Just hanging here. Let's see what crude's doing. Oh, nope. So the third attempt at that move there, that pullback in taking it, would have failed. And usually, as you see, as they start happening more, they do fail. Now, honestly, okay, dip down came up. Maybe that should have told me that, if I would have been in that trade, get out. Not, it kind of would have been already, this would have been too late to really realize it. Well, this could potentially be a good short here. Since it tried, failed, then boom. So mark that off. Just, we're playing with some other assets. It will probably set the target for the 100 EMA. See where that goes. While we continue to watch ES play around. Another move up there. You saw NQ just burst up again. NQ's up to 12,036. ES 4077.5. 4078. So continuing this rise up. And down. Oops. So new high 4078. Dip down again, just continuing to go up. That's right, we do have crude oil inventories in 20 minutes. Yep, yeah, look at that. So that would have given me the profit target on that short. So you see, playing crude oil here, just playing the bounce, 1-2 wins, stop, and now playing this move down after that last bounce failed would have been another win. It looks like I've maybe been able to, let's see if we could have gotten 20 ticks out of that. Looks like it's wanting, yeah, there you go, 20. So this could have been 20 ticks, 20 ticks, 20 ticks, and then a loss of 12. So math says that's 48 ticks, and yeah, great call, Dakota, there about just seeing oil dumping here. Remember, if you see an oil dumping, you really want to report that to the EPA. Have a great day, JC. We'll see you tomorrow. And Q up to still hanging around 12,035. ES hanging here 4077. So we're at 9:11. My time, 10:11 Eastern. Continuing to try another move up. So it kind of pauses and then continues to go. Rising up. What's agriculture doing? Ooh, agriculture, let's see, soybeans open big. Soy oil kind of opened and big and now pulling back. Soybean meal's heading up. Corn's heading down. And Q up to 12,040. Crude bouncing a little there. Yeah. Yes, continue to rise. Oh wait, that's because I want to Q. I'm an idiot. There we go. 108. Okay. Continuing to move up here. A little bit of a pullback. Fun, fun, fun. Y'all are quiet all of a sudden. We're at 29 likes. Can I get number 30? Anyone wouldn't mind doing that? Yep, someone doesn't like me again. Last 2 days I got a downvote. Thank you for whoever hit that number 30. Appreciate it. Sitting at 40.78. And Q at 12.034. Gold popped back up just a tad. So over 50 votes today. Looks like 53 votes. 57% of you thinking 50 basis points. 43% expecting 75. "15 minutes to crude oil inventories." Take a quick look. Copper, since we started, really has been kind of choppy. Gold made a slightly new low. Its range is still small. Ultra Bond made a new low slightly and then bounced. It's about mid-range. Natural gas staying down toward the bottom of its range. And of course, crude made a new daily high earlier. There we go. There's another burst up after a 3-bar pullback there. Only 2 bars on ES. That said, it's kind of, it's not moving fast now, so we might be at a point that it's going to struggle to get above. Maybe it is at exhaustion. We shall see. It's been quite the mountain that it's climbed over the last 45 minutes or so. Gold bopping up. There's gold with another example of the EMA dip strategy. See, it came up here. Obviously, that would have worked as well for a few ticks, but came down, came up, and then it tried to come back down, failed, established as several uptrending candles, failed, and then right back up, long thing, so that I could have took that long. And let's see if it gives us a point. We'll watch it. Do you think we've maybe reached exhaustion here on the indices? So now we're looking for it to prove it to me that it wants to come down. Maybe not. Not dead yet, ES says. Not dead yet. Oh, yep. Gold would have gave us that point. Trying again here. 40.79.75 is a new high, but it's only by 1 tick from the candle 2 candles ago. Still kind of hanging at 40.79. We saw 40.80. So what was yesterday's high? Yesterday's high was... I'm on gold. Why am I on gold? Oops. Blew up the wrong chart again. Let's try that again. Thought that chart looked weird. Well, yesterday's high on the CPI was 41.80. I should have remembered that. So definitely we're still 100 points away. I don't think we're going to get there. Pull back there. Now we're starting to possibly see pull back, but I've said that before, so we'll wait. There's the dip. It's hitting that. EMA. Okay, there's technically the trigger, but we're going to make it prove it, right? How? I don't know yet. I mean, we are way extended here, but that doesn't mean anything. That doesn't mean it's not going to dip and then come right back up. It would have worked. Would have gave me 2 points there. But how do I know that this was different than this one? I didn't. So kind of wait here and see if it still wants to come down. It is hitting a Bollinger. So see an increase in volume there. See it come back up. That's what I kind of expected. Bouncing off that Bollinger down there. Come back up to the EMA. This is a green, red, move. What I'm looking for. And I just accidentally entered short. Did it again. But let's see if I'm... Perfect. Two. Dab right back up. Darn it. Should have taken the 2 ticks. Oh, I need to move my stop. Second day in a row I did that. Though this one I'm not 100% unhappy with the entry. Is why I'm staying in. Otherwise I would have killed the trade. I was thinking short anyway, obviously. That's why I have my finger. Nope, stopped out. Okay, no problem. Down 155 on the day. We'll see if that comes back down for us.
Bah!
It's coming right back down now. Just kind of what I expected. They only gave it a 5 tick, so. Aw, man, I'm sorry to hear that, Prince. Crude oil inventories in a couple of minutes. Let's see what crude oil is doing. Okay, down, up, down, consolidating. Technically to trigger back up, I don't like that one there though. But it's probably going to prove me wrong. If it's only going 7 ticks, I would have been looking for 8. Just don't like, I think we're coming, I still believe we're coming down. And there's a big wick. Yes, I said wick. There's the move back down. Potentially. But not yet. About half an hour left in the stream. We have about 15 seconds until crude oil inventories. We'll see what that does to crude. But it's also sending me a trigger here on ES, so can't serve two masters here. Nope, trigger candle went away, so we'll go check out crude. Whoa! Crude dumps. Dumps over 56, 67, 60 ticks, 67. Pulling back a little bit. Numbers must have been bad. Let's go look. Crude oil inventories. Actual 10.231 million. The forecast was negative 3.5 million. So only a $13 million miss on the forecast. That would explain the big move down. Supply and demand. So we get a big move down. There's ES again. So down, up, down. So right into a Bollinger again. Taking the short. I need to stop. Not sure where I set that stop. Come on, push down for me. Not breaking, not breaking, not breaking. Come on. There we go. 5 ticks, 6 ticks, 8 ticks. Ah, coming right back, bouncing. There we go. Boom. Out. So I got 9 ticks out of that, so it was $112.50. This puts me down only 60 bucks on the day again. It looks like I got out before that nice bounce there, so I'm happy with that. Thank you, Sid, and welcome. Good to see you. Yeah, I'm really happy with that. I mean, it did go one further point down, but I think it did that before I got out, and I got out as it was starting to bounce back up. So nice. Now comes up to the EMA. Let's see if it bounces back down off the EMA. Kinda. It didn't. It kind of tickled the EMA there. Going short again. Oops. See if I'm stupid. See if I get back. Or whippy. Ah, I'm gonna get back. Shouldn't have went to the well again there. Played the bounce off the EMA, but the movement had already been priced in off that bounce. Yep, stopped out. Darn it. So this gave back everything I just got. Back down 164.
Bah! Humbug!
Whatever. Trading sucks. Tried to be too smart there. Should not have, this was a big wick down. That should not have tried to play with it there. It's a bad read. Try to give me the same type of signal here. But let's kind of hang out. Let's see what Crude's doing after that big move. So Crude's trying to gain that entire move back up. It was quite the dip off of its inventories. Now it's just hanging on that EMA. Of course, I'm looking at NASDAQ instead of ES. Oops. I do that at times accidentally. There's another attempt move down. So from the high, we're down about 8 points. And that would have been a good bounce play right there. That was a strong candle down. Let's see if it gives us 2. You can tell I get a little skittish after taking a loss, and that's where I make my mistakes, because usually, a lot of times the second run at it is the one, I'm not giving myself the chance to make it back. So I have taken more trades today. Been up and down. But it looks like I've taken 9 trades this morning. 4 wins, 5 losses. Still watching this. Hanging around 40.73. So how's everyone's P&Ls looking today? Gold popped up. Crude struggling with its 200 EMA. And the NQ trying to send a long signal there. ES is as well. So this would not have worked. So there we go. Down, up, down, up. The weather outside is frightful. Kinda is, but not snow-wise. Been raining here all day, all night. Been raining in my pantry since the roof's leaking. Why did I imagine you saying that, RJ, and it's some sort of Jedi voice? The outside borrows powerful young Padawan. Let it short. And we're back up, and it's trying to test high day. So, interesting there. Last long did not really work. This one would have. Did we touch 40, 50, 40, 80, 50? Say that 5 times fast. Is the new daily high. Just when you thought it might be dipping, it just started a ripping. About 15 minutes to go. Another new top. EMA sitting at 40.76. That's the 20. Bouncing back. Bouncing back. Right back up. So Ace never came back to say hello to RJ. How rude. Yep, and there's another. I just accidentally, what did I do? There we go. I accidentally turned off the EMA. Crypticon never came back at all. Still missing Chris Moore. We're sitting here. Sitting. Seems like up is our trend again. Up is our trend. The trend is our friend. Yeah, I'm just struggling for something to talk about this moment. Not much more going on right now. This could be a last ditch effort. And now fading down. Copper, look at that rise all of a sudden out of copper. 5-minute chart. Nice move up. Gold's still kind of stagnant. Ultra bond all over the place. Crude, of course. That big dip off of inventories, it's gotten it all back. You can see here on the 1-minute chart. What dip? Doop, boop, right back up. George, what dip? I haven't seen a dip. I didn't see a dip at all. Oh, gold just burst up. 1823.8. You can see here is the break. And then boom. Up. And ES has made another new daily high. 40.8125. Buck giving that up real quick. And down to a red candle on it. Hanging here now. Just, it's not going anywhere. It's kind of bobbing here. Bobbing for apples. And there's a push down. Sorry about the yawn. Once again, blame my landlord. There's a short signal. Gonna make it prove it to us. We're in this long trend up. Not long, but You know, we had a solid white. Let's see it. Pushes up toward the end of the candle. And back up. So big fight in this area. Still hanging here on the EMA. Yeah, it's the FOMC day, RJ. So yeah, we often see that slowness in the morning of FOMC. Possible break here. Oh, yeah, it's still not proving it to me. Back up. So 53 votes, 57% to 43%, 50 basis points seems to be the winner. We'll see if how that works out. It's pushing back down. Big wick down. Now, technically, it's a trigger candle to go back up. But I just don't like it. You can see now back down again. It's just hanging on here, this EMA. Doesn't know which way it wants to go. Frosty the Snowman. I don't know why I just said that. It just seemed good. There we go. Down seems to be the direction it wants to go now. Shorting. I need to stop. Oh. Be the last trade of the day. Our last trade of the stream. Nope, doesn't want to break this, unfortunately. Come on. Stop me, so. Yay. Let's see what it does here. See if I just had too tight of a stop again. Nope. Big move back up. So I guess probably shouldn't have got in Bollinger's. I didn't really take into account. And the move back up, technically it's a trigger candle. Well, I mean, not technically. It is a trigger candle back up. And it would have worked, folks. It would have worked. For exactly 2 points. So it got back up to near high a day within 2 ticks of it. So I thought it was proving it to me about the downside, and it didn't. And then I didn't get back into the upside trade, which was, probably stupid of me. It was. Maybe one day I'll get this. Maybe Monday. But you can't say I didn't pull the triggers today. On the triggers, I ended up taking 10 trades. Fortunately, I only have a 40% win rate. Nice job, Prince. There we go, new high day. First thing up, new high day. 40.8225. Wow, so yeah, I mean, I guess maybe I should have waited for a better, more of a signal. I don't know. No more shorts. Yeah, I was just, yeah. Shouldn't have went short there at all. Idiotic of me. I'm gonna I'm gonna study something here after the stream's done. I think something just came to my brain. So that's what we're gonna call it for today. 2 straight bad days in a row. Yeah, we'll see what we can do tomorrow. See what FOMC does later on. Obviously, I'm not going to trade FOMC, but might do something around it. Who knows? Hope everyone has a great rest of your day. We'll see you tomorrow, 7:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Stay safe, everyone, with FOMC. Have yourselves a great day. Bye. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.